Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In this video, we're gonna learn how to sign up a Rummy Circle account. So let's dive into the video since the process is quite straightforward. Visit the Rummy Circle website by opening up a web browser. In the URL box, type in rummycircle.com and search. Doing so will take you to the official website for Rummy Circle. On the left-hand side menu, you will be able to see the login and sign up option. Enter a mobile phone number or click on login using other methods and enter an email address you would like to sign up with. Once you are done, click on login. Go ahead and enter a mobile phone number in the login/signup interface. After entering a valid phone number, click on get started. Now, you will need to enter the OTP sent to your mobile number via SMS. Enter the 6-digit OTP that you received to verify your phone number. After entering the 6-digit OTP, click on Verify. You can also click on Get OTP on Call and receive a call with the OTP and type it in the text box and click Verify to sign up for Rummy Circle account. Simply follow the on-screen prompts till the end and you will be able to create a new account for Rummy Circle. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.